What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. um in this channel I talk about a lot of subject that I feel like you guys should hear about, especially finances. Okay, that's what I talk about on this channel. So if you guys up to that, you wanna, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, like, share, comment, man. So let's talk about why is money scared of you. Okay, why you pushing money away from you. Let's talk about that, man. So money to me is something that everybody need. Okay, everybody need money. You need money to have a place to live. You need money to eat. You need money to shower. You need money to go around. Okay, you need money to do everything. But some of you guys are pushing money away without even knowing this. Okay, some of you guys make money scared of you. What do I mean by that? You might be asking yourself that question. What do I mean by I'm making money scared of me? I'm pushing money away. No, I want money. I work to get money. But let's say when you work a 9 to 5, right? You work a 9 to 5, you trying to get some money. To get some money, so like I said, you can't live without the money. So you work a 9 to 5 to get money. Let's say you're getting paid, it's just an example. You get paid $1,200 a week. Okay, $1,200 a week, and then your bills. Let's say for the month you're making 4,800. Okay, 4,800, right? Yeah, if I do the math right, it's 4,800 supposed to. So let's say you make that amount of money, and then your bills is $3,500. Okay, $3,500, and then for the month you can say you have left. You got 1,300 left. Correct me if I do the math right. Right, 35 out of 48 supposed to be 1,300 left, right? So you got 1,300 left. After you do all your expenses. Okay, let's say you put 300 away to eat for the month for food. Okay, so now you got 1,000 left. So with that $1,000, some people with that $1,000, they either go waste it, go party, go to nice places and buying stuff that they don't really need. Okay, so they blow that $1,000 and then they start over. Some people, they got that $1,000, they just put it in the saving in a bank. That's one of the stupid thing you can do. They put it in the bank. Okay, they save that money, they put that money there, $1,000, they let it sit there. So that's you pushing money away from you. That's you scaring money away from you. Because to me, money is a double game, right? It's a double game. If you get money, if you have $1,000, you just put it there to sit. Guess what's gonna happen? If you put it there to sit, that $1,000 gonna go to somebody else. Let me say it again. If you got $1,000, you just put it on your saving account, just put it there to sit. Okay, that $1,000 gonna go to somebody else. How is it gonna go to somebody else? Well, if you just put it there, you just sit there, you're not doing nothing with it, you're gonna have some kind of problem, some kind of issue to make you spend that money. And when you spend money, that's when you push money away. You spending it. Like I just said, like you got $1,000. Some people got $1,000 left for the month. They just go spend it. Go buy nice clothes. Go buying stuff that they don't really need. That's you pushing money away. How can I not push money away? You cannot. Okay. The way to not push money away to me is to give that money love. Make that money feel important. Okay? What do I mean by that? If you get $1,000, you try to make it double. That's you showing money love. You show your money that you love it so much that you want it to multiply. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If I got $1,000, I just spend it. That's me pushing money away. It's like, I don't need you. I don't need you. I'm just giving you away for somebody else, for something else. I'm giving you away to get a nice shirt. I don't need you. I'm pushing you away. I'm giving you away to get a phone. I'm giving you away to get a nice shoes. I don't need you. That's what money think, because I'm pushing you away. But if I have that $1,000, I just take that $1,000, I invest it and try to make it. I invest it to make it to have double. That's me showing money love. I'm telling money that I love you so much that I want to see more of you. I'm multiplying you. Y'all get what I'm saying? I love you so much that I'm multiplying you. It's like having kids. It's like having kids. Like, I love my girl so much that I want to have a baby with you. I want to have more of me. Like, I want to have a little me and you running around. I love you so much money that I'm investing in. I'm investing. And when you show money that kind of love, when you get that $1,000, you show money that you want to make it $2,000. Trust me, it's going to multiply because you're showing love. You don't show money that you're just throwing it away. You send your money away to go get more for you. You make your money working. Money like to work. Money like to work. A lot of people don't understand that part. Money like to work. Money like to multiply. Money like to go get more for you. But a lot of you guys don't understand that. When you get that little chunk of money, you just spend it around, or you just put it in a saving account. So now let's talk about that. If you got $1,000, you just let it sit there in a bank, in a saving account, right? You do the math. How much you think you're gonna gain from letting that money sit in a bank? How much you think you're gonna gain from that? Because from what I'm saying, not all banks give you interest, but the interest they give you on that money you're putting sitting down there, you sitting down on that saving, it's a lot. It's not a lot. So it's not a lot. It's a little bitty thing you're gonna see at the end of the year. And guess what? The money that you're pushing away, right? Guess what the bank do to that money? The bank show that money love. The bank take that $1,000. First of all, when you log into your the bank app, you see that 100. It's just numbers. You just see the numbers. But to be honest, your money is not really in the bank. Your money is not in the bank. You pushing your money away. You showing your money no love. You neglecting your money by putting it in the bank, right? And guess what happened? The bank looking for people that's gonna show that money love to give it to. Who are those people that the bank giving your money to? Investors, stupid. Sorry for calling you that, but it's just, there's a lot of things that people don't get. The bank give your money to the investors because the investors gonna show the love, show your money love that you're not showing. The investor gonna be like, okay, money, now I'm gonna get you. I love you so much, money. I'm gonna throw you away. I'm gonna put you to work so you can bring more of you to me. That's how much I love you. I'm not just gonna let you sit around just like your owner did. No, money. I'm gonna show you that love. And guess what? Who you think the money gonna be loyal to? Who you think the money gonna multiply to? It's gonna multiply to the one that's showing the love, the one that get its value. But you that doing the 9 to 5 to get it, okay, here's another thing. You working so hard doing 9 to 5 to get the money. Once you get it, you're not showing love to it. You're not making the money feel valuable. You're not you're not multiply your money. What kind of mentality is that? And you know, people that don't show love to money are the people that always stay broke, or the people that live a miserable life. Don't you get it? People that don't show love to the money, people that don't make the money work, people that don't multiply the money. Because if you don't love the money enough, you're not going to multiply it. You're not going to make that money work for you. Instead, you're going to work for something to just put sin in somewhere, or to just throw away by spending it on stupid things that you don't even want. Okay? Why? Why? Ask yourself that question. Why? Why does a minority of people that have a bunch of money, and then there's a lot of y'all that have like nothing, or whatever you get? Why? They're giving love to your money that you don't have, that you put sitting there in the bank. You got $50,000 if you have it, because most of you don't have that kind of money. If you do have $50,000, you just put it in a saving account. You put it in that saving account. You let it sit there. So you think you're doing a good thing. I'm gonna work hard just to save that money. You think you're doing a good thing, and guess what? The bank take your money and give it to somebody that's gonna make the money work. So that's why a lot of you guys, money are running away from you guys. Y'all pushing away money. Y'all pushing money away in your life, but y'all don't realize that. Because y'all not thinking. Y'all not thinking. Y'all don't realize how bad y'all pushing money away. Now ask yourself that question. Do I want to push money away? Do I want to work hard for money just to push it away? Or do I want to show money some love? Or do I want to show money, my money, that I care about it so much that I want it to go work. I want it to go bring me more of it. More of itself. If I got $1,000, I put it to work. If I put it to work, it's going to work. And guess what? It's going to bring me $2,000. It's going to bring me $3,000 if I put it to work. If I show love enough to the money and say, hey, money, go work for me. I'm tired of working for you. Go work for me. That money gonna work. Trust me. It's gonna work. And when money work for you, you can't be miserable. How you gonna be miserable, man? When you got $1,000, you make it work to give you like 2,000, 3,000, and you keep doing the process over and over and over and over. How you gonna be broke? How you gonna live miserable, man? That's how the people stay rich. That's how investors stay rich, man. They don't throw money away. They don't push money away. They show money love, man. Show your money some love. Show your money some love. Show your money that you care about it enough to even make you bring more of it. Okay? When you love something, you show love to it. You make it bring more to you. That's how it is. That's how it works. So, show your money some love. Show your money some love, because if you don't, that's what's gonna happen to you. And I hope you guys take that, whatever I say, take it into consideration and then do it. Do it, and then come in the comment section. You be like, you were right. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out.